Imagine Apple stock is trading at $300. You think Apple is going higher, but instead of buying the stocks for 300, you could buy an option. So what exactly is an option? Let's make it super simple. An option is a contract that gives you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell a stock at a specific price before a certain date. Think of it like a reservation. You pay a small amount today to get the right to buy Apple later at a fixed price. And you don't have to use that right if you don't want to. Let's say Apple is at $300. You believe Apple will go higher. You buy a call option with a strike price of 320. This gives you the right to buy Apple for 320 before the option expires. If Apple jumps to $350, your option could become much more valuable. So remember, call means you expect the stock to go up. Now imagine the opposite. Apple is still at 300, but you think the stock will fall. You could buy a put option with a strike price of 280 that gives you the right to sell Apple for 220. If Apple drops to 240, that right becomes more valuable. So put means you expect the stock to go down. But options aren't free. You call a price called the premium. For example, suppose the Apple option costs $5. One standard option contract usually represents 100 shares. So your cost is $500 for one contract. And there's one more important thing. Options have an expiration date. Maybe your Apple option expires in 30 days. If your prediction doesn't work before the expiration date, the option can lose most or even all of its value. That's one of the biggest differences between stocks and options. Options can give you much bigger gains with less money upfront, but they can also lose value very quickly. That's all. Leave a comment, please, subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.